they are around $70,000 right now, doing around $4,000 a day in sales. 4K the last week, this week 7.3K, last week 21K, and month to date it is just updating. Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and today I bring on a case study of one of our client who is doing close to 1 million USD per year and doing close to $100,000 a month. Now for this particular account, why I needed to show you the case study is because for this particular account, there is something going on that I need to show you. A lot of people, a lot of sellers, a lot of agencies would tell you that automatic campaigns, they generally lose their momentum when it is older after a lot of negative targetings. But for this particular account, what I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. Now, this account, the products that they are selling, they are low priced, they are dominating the market, they are a brand leader, they are a dominating player in the market. Now, what I'm going to show you exactly, first, let me just jump to the screen and show you exactly so that you can implement the same thing after understanding what I'm going to show and implement that in your business, and hopefully that can help you grow more of your sales. So let's jump into my screen. Here you can see in my screen, this is the if I just refresh the screen for you guys. So I'll do a month to date. So they are around $70,000 right now, and they have around 8 more days left. They're doing around $4,000 a day in sales. So they would close a little shy over $100,000 this month. So this is not what I wanted to show you. Let me show you exactly what I wanted to show you guys. So here is the account summary. Here you can see this is a tool that we use called Hector for demonstrating the data to our clients. Here you can see the last 7 days, it have got the total sales around 19.4K the last week. This week, 7.3K. Last week, 21K. And month to date, it is just updating yet, right? So here you can see, if I just show you the ACOS, this is the ACOS that is running right now. And this is the tacos. You can see how the tacos is going on. You can also see the total sales, ad sales, orders. The graph is also demonstrated here and how it is impacting and how much you can see the ads is impacting their organic orders as well. But this is not what I wanted to show you. Here is something that will blow your mind. Now, this is the kind of budget distribution. The sponsored products, they are spending around $10,000 to $11,000 a month. Here you can see the sponsored brands close to $1,000 and sponsored display around $500, close to that. And this is how their ROAS is bringing on. You can see obviously sponsored products will bring on more ROAS, but display ads has nowhere behind sponsored products as well. Now, this is the main part that I need to show you. Here you can see keyword targeting. Obviously, keyword targeting will get more sales, but for this, you can see automatic targeting is very close to the sponsored products, almost spending $5,000. So you can see for this particular client, almost half of the budget is going for automatic targeting, which is mind-blowing here, right? Now we obviously have other like sponsored display where we're doing contextual targeting, audience targeting as well. We are testing it out for this account because now the brand is really famous in the market. Now, if I just scroll down, you can see also the CTR, the ROAS of this automatic campaign is really high, 4.49, whereas the product targeting is 4.83, whereas keyword targeting is 3.26. But if I just scroll down a little bit, here you can see which type of ads are performing. But here is the main thing that is happening here. Now, if I just come down a little bit, here you can see how this are distributed. Here you can see the lose match, close match. Now, if I just come down a little bit, here you can see the targeting type. Here you can see lose match. Lose match is spending almost close to $2,000. Close match is spending almost close to $2,000. Now, obviously, close match and lose match are more concentrated towards keywords rather than when we look at substitute and complements, which are more focused towards product targetings. Here you can see clearly they are generating huge search terms. We're extracting huge number of search terms from here. And that is what is going to happen for this account. And we are creating new campaigns, a lot of new campaigns for this because it is generating tremendous number of search terms for us. Now, why this kind of result is coming on from this account is obviously because the brand is dominating the market. It is a market leader in the segment. It has plenty of reviews. The price range is lower, and that is why automatic campaign is performing so good. And also, one more tip: if you are adding a lot of negative targetings, negative exact to automatic campaigns, slowly and drastically, the performance of the automatic campaign will drop down. But if you are doing it very precisely, very relevant, if you are only using those negatives that are highly not relevant, and rather than that, if you're not constantly putting on keywords for negative targeting, it will drastically drop your sales down of that automatic campaign. So make sure you're not going very aggressive with negative exact when it comes to automatic campaign. One more suggestion: it is better to break down your automatic campaign in as much possible and granular format as you can. Like, if I give you example, what we like to do is, if we create automatic campaigns, we create 16 automatic campaigns. Now, how we do that is basically, uh, first we create close match, then we create lose match, substitute complements. That is not the only case here. What we do is, for close match, we create close match top of the search, close match product page, close match rest of the search. Now, rest of the search may be a little bit complex for you, but we are getting good out of it. Then also, for lose match, you have to create lose match top of the search, lose match product page, lose match rest of the search. Now, for rest of the search, make sure you make your bid uh, up and down, and also make the bid very low and slowly. If rest of the search is working good for the product, Amazon will push more budget towards rest of the search. And it is obviously after constant testing, because sometimes even if you do up and down, Amazon may push towards top of the search or rest of the search. But you have to again create a new campaign and test out that, yes, now Amazon is giving for the rest of the search. And if it continues giving for rest of the search and you're converting for rest of the search, Amazon will keep on giving more budget towards rest of the search. That is how you can achieve rest of the search placements. So that is what I wanted to show you guys, because it's not always that automatic campaigns may eat up a lot of budget. It is not always that automatic campaign should always be running on the front end, on the top, during launch, to get more keywords out of it. But automatic campaigns can drive in really good sales with really high ACOS, really high ROS, and really low ACOS and really low TACOs as well. Now, if you want this kind of results for your account, now you can reach out to us by going to www.regrowmedia.com. We are handling 60 plus worldwide brands with 35 plus team members. Combinedly, we have handled over 100 million USD in sales from our clients. So that's it for this video. Make sure you write down in the comment section if you want more videos related to this topic, automatic campaigns, or more strategies. Make sure you comment below, or if you have questions and doubts, make sure you comment down below and I'll make sure I answer all the questions. Thank you so much. I'll see you again. $1,500.